Right. Good day, Kikia and Squachicha. My name is Kikia Joyce Schneider Shama Squachich, and I'm here to share my September 8, 2025 language resource. And this set of slides are based on a set of phrases that were taught to us in August of 2023 by Jukap, Lyle Peters, all about catching and cleaning fish. And the QR code you see on the screen there will take you to Uncle Lyle Peters saying the phrases that I am practicing in this video. We were very blessed and fortunate to be able to meet with Uncle Lyle this August of 2025 on the 30th and to do some setting of the net, checking the net, and taking fish from the net, and also the beginnings of making a fish trap. So it was a very informative and holistically healing event on the 30th. And we all raise our hands to Uncle Jukap Lyle Peters for all of this knowledge and teachings in the language as well. Kukstum Kauch, and I hope you enjoy. Nash Cash Tsokwalam. Nash Cash Tsokwalam. We're going fishing. Nash Cash Klein. Nash Cash Klein. We have a net or we are checking the net. Inchati Kwama Titsokwala. Inchati Kwama Titsokwala. I caught the salmon. Nua Tikwama Titsokwala. Nua Tikwama Titsokwala. You caught the salmon. Nish Tikwama Titsokwala. Nish Tikwama Titsokwala. They caught the salmon. Inchatimeshna Titsokwala. Inchatimeshna Titsokwala. I cleaned the salmon. Or I made it ready. Nua Timation Tinukwa Tsokwala. Nua Timation Tinukwa Tsokwala. You cleaned the other salmon. Nish muta timation tinukwa cleat. Nish muta timation tinukwa cleat. They also made the other salmon ready. Takam katlo timation titsokwala. Takam katlo timation titsokwala. We are cleaning the salmon. Nish tea. I'm all done. I again would like to raise our hands in gratitude to the First Peoples Cultural Council for making it possible for us to come together on the land with the knowledge keepers, practitioners, language speakers, and to learn the good ways of being together and on our territory. Also, the Uchelmuk All Nation Services Society, which has been administering our program since the beginning back in 2022. And we also thank the Shemakum Chief and Council for their awesome and ongoing support of language reclamation for Shemakwam. Again, there is the QR code if you want to go in here, and I highly recommend you go and listen to Jukap Lyle Peters speaking these phrases that I just shared practiced in the video here today, and Takamin Shnuknukwa, all my relations, and Amakwishwaju, be well.